Long ago, on the island of Jamaica, boys found a passion for football. They would play day and night, and as a matter of fact, many would go on to play for their high schools, get scholarships, go away, and also represent Jamaica. But the passion for football did not stop when they were 30. It continued. It continued into their 40s and into their 50s, and some into their 60s. Many enjoy the game because it brought a sense of togetherness and understanding that, listen, men still need to exercise themselves. Many would travel to tournaments across the United States and make connections with friends who were missing in action for several years in England, Canada, and of course, we kept our Jamaican counterparts going. So when the family affair group started over several months ago, it brought these men together. They spoke about the days playing football in Jamaica and they started to plan. This was not just a Zoom session organized by several individuals trying to bring people together, but it formed a synergy and an energy that would bring several people together to initiate a celebration of life in May 2021. Everyone drove up to Port St. Lucie to have a wonderful time, and here are the highlights.
I can promise to give your love that's so great, the kind of love that no other can replace. So baby, open the door to your heart and let me in. Strangers though we were before last night, no, never, no more. Open the door to your heart and let me in. Strange.
Boy, look at the man, them a miss out pan. Eh? A nice breakfast that is provided. Oh my God. Me think about
Open the door to your heart and let me in. Strangers to your heart and let me in. Strangers though we were before last night, no, never, no more. Open the door to your heart and let me in.
Because this is an international event, so providing Jah give the life next year is going to be multinational. On behalf of Senior Parky, the guys are from Canada, Stico, the man from Jamaica, who couldn't make it, we're going to make the best of it. So with that said, let's have fun, let's be good. If you can't be good, let's be better.
Yo, me, I want Brazilian. Okay. So we need to know. Mr. No?
Control, Gerald. Control. Easy.
What number in there?
That's come like me there, Jamaica Chris. No.
Can't go. But they're about to know. What I do still? The case you call is dribble.
That dribble?
Lemon. Blue, you can't touch it. He can't touch it. He can't touch it.
Portfolio.
What's this?
Set up.
Set up.
Right in front of you.
Move back.
Oh man, that's big man. Can lick it. Can lick it. We have a hole in a certain way now.
How you used to play?
TSC versus Carnival
No
College.
fingers.
No finger.
Cup final.
No scraping.
Gentlemen and ladies, come in. Cup final.
3 touch together.
Corner. 2 touch.
Yeah.
3 foul penalty. Foul in the box penalty.
Yep.
All right.
That would have gone already.
How you throw?
Gentlemen, come in.
We get you
Young
anyway.
Gun Cup final.
I can.
Carnival College versus KC.
Come by TV and come on.
All right. Let's roll.
You got this, right?
You want to start?
I'll make the body, I don't care what happens.
This was
Get around.
Where you going then?
Right this summer.
Let me set the goal.
When I tell you.
That's you.
Yeah,
we'd like to extend our grateful and appreciative service from Chris with a symbol of quality. Moving forward, we are all champions in our own rights. And thank you for the service again extended.
Small hands. Father God, again, beautiful sunshine.
Here we have David Reed. He is very involved in Treasure Coast.
We realized how big this thing was growing. We decided to register this club as Treasure Coast Masters.
Okay.
So once we registered Treasure Coast Masters, now we know that we have to do everything official. In the short period of time that we've been established, we have done a lot of charity work. We have done 2 drives for the Bahamas hurricane. We were in the process of doing one for the Haiti hurricane. We also have a Dapper Street named after us. The sign is up there, where once a month a group of guys from Treasure Coast Masters, we use the buckets and the bibs and and we walk and we clean up the street designated to us.
So tell me about this day, this particular tournament.
Okay, this tournament weekend comes up. Everybody gone to Orlando, West Palm and Miami. So because Port St. Lucie, where we are at this home ground, is the mecca for football here, we decided that this is going to be the first annual international Treasure Coast Masters scrimmage classic. When I say scrimmage, for those of us in Jamaica and the islands, we use the small goals, and I'm sure the photographer will explain to you what it is. Treasure Coast Masters style of football is 3-touch football. That's our brand, that's what we do. But for this tournament, we're expecting, like next year, because of the COVID, we didn't get our visitors from Canada and from Jamaica. So next year, we're predicting that we're going to have teams from Israel, China, Japan. My vision is to see that this turns out to be an international tournament with people from all over the world. So for Treasure Coast Masters now, we have over 40s and under 40s. But because there's so many people coming out, we have to put in another section for the younger kids there. Within Treasure Coast Masters, we have a book club.
Okay.
Within Treasure Coast Masters, we have a cycling club. And within Treasure Coast Masters, we're about to start a golf club and a gun club. So Treasure Coast Masters started out as a football club, but we have expanded so much, it's beyond football now.
Yes. Final words about the future and what you think is going to happen as it relates to this game.
Okay.
Who you say or suggest will be the winners today?
No, first of all, there's no losers.
Okay, good.
So the winner is not even important.
Yes.
But what I have to say is that with the Pocket Change crew and CC90 and Treasure Coast Masters, we are going to develop a partnership where any one of these 3 entities that have a charity, we will work together with them. So for today, this is just the inaugural presentation that Treasure Coast Masters is going to present. We're all about giving. One of the most important things I almost forgot to mention was that Treasure Coast Masters' motto is by us, for us. It was based off the Marcus Garvey philosophy that we need to help ourselves and not look outside for help.
Greetings. CC90. Sammy Dread here on behalf of Treasure Coast and CC90 and Cavaliers. What we're about, we're a charity movement. You know what I mean? So we started as CC90 about 8 years ago, coming together with main idea of giving back to the kids at the school, the younger kids, trying to start that generation gift program so that they learn to give back to the school also. So upon coming together, I moved down here to Florida. Then I linked up closer with Parky, we call him Medsman, aka Chris Parkins. You know what I mean? And how did we do it? Just through conversating through the COVID last year, 2020. We decided why not we just do a Zoom stuff so that we could come together and reach out to folks that we can't connect with. Because a lot of us couldn't go on vacation, we couldn't go anywhere. So we came up with the Zoom thing. And of course, we invited Rossi and to be the musical man in the background, who had so much great ideas for what we can do, what we could do, and what we have done. And through that Zoom link up, that's how we linked up closer with the Cavaliers crew. We linked up closer with the Treasure Masters Inc. crew. And through that connection of that Zoom, you know, coming to creating also a CC night, well, a pocket change crew on WhatsApp. This way we share ideas about buying stocks we don't know, ask a couple of questions, and then we crack some jokes. And through that, we created like about today what we in May 30th. So we created it right around February. We started talking about creating a yearly event, inspired by the Treasure Coast man, Reedy. That's his name, Reedy. So through Reedy's insist in us doing this, which is cool because we're down with that. That's where we are today. We thank God that we're going to move from a year-to-year event, and we'll come back next year, and we're going to do it again bigger and better with less.
Okay, today is our initial tournament kickoff in terms of first tournament being held by Treasure Coast Masters. And we have a visiting team from Michigan, which is our main invitational team. We were expected to have a team from Jamaica and Canada, but unfortunately they didn't come. The aim today is to play for the Treasure Coast Masters Invitational Cup, which is a residential cup.
Yes, Mr. Carr, let me know how you have been enjoying the weekend.
Pretty good. I mean, lot of fun, excitement, food, and great camaraderie. The game yesterday were really a good pre-opener for today, and the guys are just magnificent. So.
And who you think will win today?
I think Treasure Coast Masters have the edge, but maybe, just maybe, the visitors will get a one.
Any man to watch?
I don't call no name right now.
All right. Playing some big ball. Who you think will win today?
That must be, man. Cavaliers, man.
Share your name. Tell me.
From Cavaliers.
And all the way.
Michigan.
Detroit, Michigan, all the way to sunny Florida, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, big up. Where are you from?
Well, my crew is from Detroit, Michigan.
Michigan?
Yes, sir, we're from Michigan.
Okay, so you're here to play a big game today?
Yeah, we are here to play the master guys, and we know we're gonna beat them very bad. So
you're gonna beat them very bad.
Very bad. We have been preparing for this.
You have been prepared. How long?
Yeah, about 5-6 months we've been preparing for this. So
okay.
We have it covered.
Who is the danger man on your side if you want to reveal?
No, we keep that on the wraps right now. We don't want to tell you that.
All right, sir, all right. Yes, we have Mr. Rossi here. Tell us a little about yourself.
Yeah, man, my name is Rossi, CC 91st as always. And Cavaliers is my home team, from Michigan.
You're coming all the way from Michigan?
All the way from Michigan, Detroit, Michigan, represent,
Okay, CC 90, yes.
Yeah.
And I know that you do a lot of music and that sort of stuff.
Yeah, we have a sound called Rasadio. Yeah, we just walk around all over the place and kill people,
Yes.
That we do.
I noticed that sometime I see you on Zoom.
Yeah, man, I'm always.
So tell me about that Saturday night link up.
Saturday night, man, every Saturday from 8 till you say when we're there, play music and hold back topics. We always try bring some ideas together, and we are all about sharing.
So give me one
uplifting.
Another thing. Since you with CC 90 and Cavaliers, although everyone is a winner,
yes.
Who you want to be names? Whose name you want to be written on that trophy today?
Cavaliers.
Cavaliers.
Yeah.
So CC come second.
No, CC come first. CC 90 come first, but we want Cavaliers name on the trophy first.
Oh, and then but this one team can write.
Cavaliers first.
All right, Cavaliers first. All right, sir.
Champion.
One liner.
Family affair.
One liner.
Life by health and strength, CC 90.
Yeah. I guess what? Yeah.
Fisher here.
One sentence. Cavaliers, Treasure Coast, Masters, together, one love, you know? Respect.
Don't make it come true, Brad. You know what say you should run to Jamaica? Paradise. I'll do a long time. One more switch! Switch! Coffee, switch now. Run! Get there! Oh, beautiful!
the First Lady stepping forward. Cavaliers, Pocket Change, CC90 and the entire staff of Treasure Coast Masters, we present the Treasure Coast Masters International Tug of War Champions 2021. Come on, cheer them on, cheer them
Come forward, take your photos. Yeah, one of the photos.
And for the losing team, step forward, please. Captain Fisher, step forward. Step forward. Next one, step forward. Step forward, Virgin. Without wasting your time, you're the captain. So be the captain of the losing team. They cheated.
Everything that the winner of the kids that they are youth of the future. Teach them the way. Yes, Ricky. Stand by you. Check out those by from Liverpool. Vibes rain on the house, you don't know the thing already. This should be an annual event, you know, so look out for next year. Yes, BH, don't know. Rasa, you on the building? Rasa, Chris. Ladies and gentlemen, later on will be the after party. Ladies and gentlemen, later on after party will be. We didn't forget the address, we get some people that got a place in that too. Friendly for fun. Revels, right? After party, no work tomorrow now, no school, right? We're honoring the Veterans Memorial. Shouts out to each and every member of CACG, Caribbean Culture.